CarStory research indicates this vehicle as rare to see this model for sale in your area. Features also include leather seats, rear heated seats, ventilated seats, panorama sunroof. Take a ride in the 2023 Expedition. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 4,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, panoramic roof, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, heated mirrors, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, remote engine start. Inside you'll find navigation system, backup camera, heated steering wheel, smart device integration, keyless entry, adaptive cruise control, rear AC, HD radio, satellite radio. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.